What's up everyone, welcome back to Ford Ventures. It is Hong once again, and today we have a couple of short installs left, less than 5 minutes. They are more like comfort features, I would say. And the first one here is just a side pocket to replace the nettings. This one is by, I think it's pronounced Ruien. I found this on Amazon. It was like 20 bucks or so, you know, plastic, but it's not bad. It's gonna, you know, it'll replace the netting that on the side here. What you do is just let this door hook stay. You see those clips on the side there? You just slide them in, and bam, it's done. Pretty simple, you know, less than a minute. And the second thing I have here is just like another steering wheel cover. My current one is kind of worn out and doesn't feel right, so got a cover. Nothing real special. Just gonna put that on, and let's get on with it. All right, I hope you guys can actually see this. Look at this. It's annoying. I'm just gonna keep this on for now. You know, I could cut it off, but I'll just save it. Boom! Like that, it's all installed. The fitting's alright. There's some little spots around the side here. But I don't know if you can see it. But it fits alright. Nothing sagging, nothing will fall out. Nothing will fall out when you open the door. So, see how that goes for a couple weeks and make a follow-up. But not bad. You can, you know, slide some other stuff in here, maps or papers or whatever. You can still put stuff inside. I can throw my OBD2 in there, but yeah, at least it's not hanging all over the place. But yeah, pretty easy install. Pretty simple. It's pretty sturdy. You know, it doesn't. If you yank it pretty hard, it will come off. But other than that, it's pretty stuck in there. But yeah, you have a choice. You can, you know, cut these off if you want. But I'm gonna keep it on for now until later. Too bad they didn't make them for the back. Too bad they didn't make them for the back. Would have been nice. Alright, and you know what? That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna throw on the steering wheel cover, and that's all. That's it. So, hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.